finally sitting down, and if you saw my skincare inventory then you will know I made it my mission to try and use up some of the products that I never reach for, and one of those categories is face masks. So I thought I would pop on a face mask before I do my makeup today and let it sink in while I finish off doing my bits and bobs of tidying up. So this one is the Ole Henriksen, what's this called? Cold Plunge Pore Mask. And I've definitely been getting like bigger pores on my nose more recently, and I think it is definitely because I've just been not taking care of my skin at all. It comes out like bright green, I'll show you, but it's got clay and snow lotus extract, and it literally feels like ice on the skin. It says it's got AHAs in it. So let's go in with a bit. Like, it is luminous. And I thought it would be the kind of, I thought it would be like a clay mask that sort of dries down and cracks, which I don't love, but this doesn't, which is good. Supposed to leave it on for how long? 15 minutes. Get it in my hair. Yes, got it in my hair, lovely. Bit on the chin. And then my pores are particularly large here, here, and on my nose, like I said, so. Looking good. Right, let's leave this on for 15 minutes and come back. I've just washed it off and here's what my skin is looking like. So yeah, feels a little bit dry, so I need to moisturise. It does actually say on the back, because it contains AHA, your skin is more susceptible to sun damage. So I'm going to put on my Invisible Serum SPF 50 from Garnier that I'm trying to use up, and mix it in with my Garnier Pure Active Moisturiser as well, just to, I'm nearly finished with both of these, so I tend to just put a dollop on the back of my hand. And there we have it, feeling very fresh. So I purchased a roll of wallpaper from a website called Lucy Annabelle, and they do like premium wallpapers. But they also had the option to purchase some samples. So what I thought I would do was pick up a few of these sample sizes, and then I could use some of these as prints in frames, because we are in need of some like artwork on the walls in this house. So these are the prints that I picked up, and then yesterday when I was in Dunelm, I purchased this sort of set, well not set, they didn't come together, but I purchased this array of photo frames. So I'm going to have a look through those samples and see which ones I want to fit in some of these frames. Obviously the blue one is for this bedroom, and I got 2 blue sample prints. So I'm thinking obviously this is the navy blue. It's A3, this photo frame. And I'm thinking this one to go in here, and this will go in the bedroom we're in now. And then for this green one, I've got quite a few options that could go with the green. I've obviously got this dark print here. I've got this acorn, which would go in the living room because we've got a big oak tree in our garden, so I thought that would be really nice. It overlooks the oak tree. I've got this thistle one, and then this could be really cute for my daughter's room. This sort of like strawberry print, and the green ties in quite nicely. That one's not the right green, I don't think. So I think it would definitely have to be out of this one. I think this one or this one for this green frame. And then for the golds, 100% this one needs to go in a gold frame. I just don't know which one. That one looks cute, but it's a little bit small. See about that one. I do also have this massive gold frame, which I thought could go somewhere in the bedroom as well, but I don't think one of these prints will go in it unless that would work, maybe. I definitely want this acorn one somewhere in the living room. I just don't know what frame to put it in. So what I'll do is I'll have a play around and then I'll show you what I've come up with. I'm sorry, how good does that look? I'm absolutely chuffed with that. That's going to look so nice on the wall. Let me show you. So I'm thinking like here, next to the curtains and next to the blue lamp. Love it. So cute, and this one like stands up like that, so